Right, so we've got shaky cam. I don't know if I'll show anybody this because it's so janky. I don't know, I might have to hide this bit from reality. So turn off the heat gun and just give this a go, see what happens. Right. So I've got a very gentle flame. Yeah, let's see if we can get anything to happen here. Oops. So this is the silicone bronze rod. I don't know if you can see it. I can't really see it with my goggles on. That's quite a small rod. And this is the other rod. I don't know if either are going to be work. Let's figure it out. They both are flux coated, which should help. Everything's been clean with brake clean. Don't know what you can see. Possibly not very much. Getting a bit of a glow on the go. Don't want to go crazy. Hot enough. Yeah, this isn't going very well. I'm frightened to put too much heat into it, but because it's so thin, this stuff. Yeah, I'm struggling. I'm going to turn this off just so I can sort of concentrate, and I'll show you the end result.